Hello everyone! So for our first craft, first trace the shape of your hand and then draw the ground on the same sheet of paper. Add some leaves to each of the fingers and then color it in as you like. Add a pair of eyes and a little nose and a mouth and then make a smile as well. Add some waves on the bark of the tree to show that the patterns are usually there on the tree. For our next craft, outline your hand as shown above. We will be drawing a snail. So make twirls inside the semicircle in order to show the patterns of the snail. Next, draw other small little dots and draw the rest of the body of the snail along with some eyes, some grass on the ground, some pebbles, the sun, and other such small natural things. Color it in as you like. For our next craft, take a stencil and draw a circle. We will be making a little bunny. So take it and draw ears, eyes, a nose and a mouth and add a little carrot to the body of the bunny. You may also show some other carrots and other vegetables all around the little bunny. Draw bushes in the back along with the sun, some clouds, there you have it. For our next craft, we will be drawing a house in nature. So first draw the top of the house, draw the rectangular top and then the bottom. Add the door. Behind the house, draw two curved lines as you can see behind. This is no ordinary house, this is a tree house. Now for our next craft, we will be drawing a tree. So first start off by drawing the bark of the tree along with other small branches. Draw a pair of eyes and then a mouth. Draw white dots within the eyes to make it look glistening and then color it as you please. Now we will be drawing a little hut in the forest. Start off by drawing the top and make it taper as it goes towards the top. Draw the house of the hut and add some grooves as well. Then draw lines to the thatched roof and add a little window. Add some grass in the background and some little pebbles for the pathway to the house. Then add some nature at the background and there you have it. Now for our next drawing, we will be drawing a hot air balloon. So trace it as you can see. Draw a big balloon and then draw lines within the balloon. Draw some strings and attach it to a square. This square will be the place where the people stand in the hot air balloon. Design this as you please. Add clouds and other animated items in the background and there you have it. Now for our next craft, we will be drawing a cactus. Start off by drawing many balloon-shaped items and connecting them to each other and then add thorns all over these items. Put it into a pot. Next drawing is a watermelon. Start off by drawing a semicircle and then add the top as seen. Add some leaves and then add a triangular at the bottom of your page. This will be a piece of watermelon. Following this, add lines to the bigger watermelon and color it as you like. Draw some seeds as well and color it in black. Now for our next drawing, we will be making pineapple. So start off by drawing an oval shape and then draw spikes on the top. Following this, add some checks and then proceed to color it in yellow. You may also add some spikes and there you have it, your pineapple. Now for our next drawing, we will be drawing an ice cream. So start off by drawing the cone of the ice cream and then draw 3 scoops on one and a swirl on the other. Color it as you please. Next, we will be drawing Peppa Pig. So start off by drawing the head of a pig and then draw the mouth and then make it look like Peppa Pig has eaten something. This something, as we will soon draw, is an ice cream. Now proceed to color it as you wish and there you have it, Peppa Pig eating ice cream. Next, we're going to draw some very cute little monsters. Draw 3 ovular bodies on top of which we will be drawing 3 more. Add whatever facial expressions you would like. These are the ones that we have chosen. Now add 3 more ovular bodies on top. Add horns for some and eyes for the others. Color it in very funky colors. Now for our next drawing, first take a crayon and color green lines at the bottom to symbolize grass. Next, take yellow sponge as shown above and stick it as such. Cut it into diamond shapes before you do so. Stick it all over and there you have many flowers. Thank you for watching.